Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, наш мир, часть первая, страница 34, 35, 36, 37. English, Starlight 3. Our World, Homework, part number 1, page number 34, 35, 36, 37. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 34, 34. Our World, Starlight Club. Look, read and match. Посмотрите, прочитайте и сопоставьте. Hello, my name is Lucas. I am 8 years old. I live in Germany. My flag is black, red and yellow. Hi, my name's Jennifer. I'm 9 years old. I live in the UK. My flag is red, white and blue. Hello, I'm Jane and I'm 7. I live in Canada. My flag is red and white. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 35, 35. Exercise number 2. Look, read and complete the text. Смотрите, читайте и дополните тексты. The answer. Hello, my name is George. I'm 9 years old. This is my dog, Boris. I live in Moscow, Russia. The flag of Russia is white, blue and red. Red is my favorite color. Look, Boris has got a red bandana. Hello, I'm Vera. I'm 8 years old. I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia. This is my puppy dog, Morris. Hello, my name is Marina. I'm 10 years old. I live in Великий Новгород, Russia. This is my favorite teddy bear toy. His name is Misha. He's very cute. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Talk with your friend, then write about yourself. Поговорите с вашим другом. Затем напишите о себе. The answer. Hello, my name is Nika. I'm 10 years old. I live in Moscow, Russia. This is my dog. His name is Dick. He's very cute. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 36, 36. Exercise number 1. Look at the apple tree. Find, point and name the parts of the tree. Посмотри на яблоню. Найдите, укажите и назовите части дерева. This is my tree. Trunk, branches, roots, apples, leaves. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 37, 37. Go green. Exercise number 2. 3 facts. Read and choose A or B. Факты о дереве. Прочтите и выберите A или B. There are more than 23,000 different kinds of trees in the world. Trees grow from the bottom. True. We call the top part of a tree a crown. The shortest tree is the dove willow. It is about 6 centimeters tall. We can make more than 500 things from a tree. The biggest forest in the world is in the USA. You can make 170 pencils with one tree. You can make 170,000 pencils with one tree. How old is the oldest tree in the world? $4,844. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Make a leaf print. Collect some leaves. Brush paint over each leaf. Press the leaf onto a white sheet of paper. Collect information about trees. Make your own quiz. Сделайте отпечаток листа. Соберите несколько листьев. Нанесите краску на каждый лист. Прижмите лист к белому листу бумаги. Соберите информацию о дереве. Сделайте свой собственный тест. The answer. The tallest tree quiz. The tallest tree in the world is a sequoia. The tallest tree in the world grows in the USA. The tallest tree is more than 115 meters high. The tallest tree is more than 700 years old. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Close a goodbye,